Hi, I'm Cheryl Scarlato with SSG Insurance, also known as Senior Solutions Group, and you want to know when you should sign up for Medicare Part B. Well, you should sign up for Medicare Part B 3 months before you're ready to retire. And for a lot of people, that is the 3 months before they turn 65. And when we talk about Medicare, we're talking about the first day of the month that you turn 65. So 3 months before you're ready to retire, you're going to need to give us a call, and we can guide you on how to sign up for your Part B, what it's going to cost, and what it's going to cover. Because without Medicare Part B, you will not be able to get a supplement coverage, such as a Medicare supplement plan or a Medicare Advantage plan. So if you don't know when you're going to retire, and you're working for an employer that provides you group health insurance, and you're 65 and you want to keep working, because 50% of people want to keep working past 65, and that is fine. There's no penalty for not signing up for Part B. In fact, there's a great financial advantage for you not to sign up yet. If you have group health insurance with an employer with over 20 full-time employees, you don't need Part B. Save the money. So whenever you want to retire, maybe it's at 66, maybe it's at 70, maybe at 75, call us 3 months beforehand, and then we'll guide you on how to sign up for Medicare Part B. Then you can start paying for your Medicare Part B. But there's no need to pay for it if you're going to remain on your employer's group health plan. But if you're self-employed and you don't sign up for Medicare Part B at age 65, there is a hefty penalty. It's 10% a year for every year that you don't sign up. So if you're not on an employer health plan, be sure and call us. Get the right advice so you don't make a mistake. In the description below this video, there is a link where you can watch our Medicare workshop and download our free Medicare and Social Security cheat sheet. It's free, so go ahead and download it now and check out our other videos. I'll see you on the next one.